I very often talk about growing and producing real food in my backyard that my family can eat. What I don't talk about is how this food actually feeds my family. But Amanda, what do you mean you're gonna make dessert tonight from zucchini that you pulled from your garden today? That my family's probably gonna love, and they're gonna have no idea they're eating vegetables for dessert. Stick around and I'll gladly show you. I do want to preface this video by saying most of our staple crops are still growing, like my potatoes and my tomatoes over there and my onions still growing, still thriving. My potatoes can die at any time because I am so ready to harvest those bad boys, but they just will not go down. And my tomatoes over here are in their 30, flirty, and thriving stage. I'm just waiting for them to ripen up so I can make my homemade sauces this year. Needless to say, this might not be the most exciting video, but we're working with what we have ready so far. So I grabbed my zucchini already. I'm coming back here to do my chicken chores real quick. We have 15 hens here in our backyard, and we're getting about a dozen eggs a day, which is a lot for my family because my kids don't eat eggs anymore without a fight. So really, when it's just you and your husband who will willingly eat the eggs, a dozen a day is a bit much. I'm not gonna go through the whole shebang that I usually go to when I'm talking about my chickens, but just know that the eggs are part of today's video. We got 9 eggs today. So a big problem we're having is what to do when we have too many eggs. We don't want these eggs to go to waste, but we cannot keep up with the supply. First task of the day is I'm gonna head inside and off camera make my husband some dinner because he just got home and he's probably starving. But after that, I'm gonna make some breakfast bagels using fresh eggs from our backyard chickens. And I'm gonna try my hand at making another batch of homemade from scratch bagels. I've done it a time or two and it was a lot of fun. So we're just gonna see how it turns out. I decided to bulk make some breakfast bagels because it'd be a super easy breakfast for me and my husband to just throw in the microwave and heat up on the way to work instead of, you know, frying up some eggs or not eating at all. Because he'd be doing that. He'd be going to work without breakfast, and I go to work way before him, so it's not like I can make him breakfast before work, but that boy needs to eat. I need my bowl, so my chickens are gonna get the zucchini scraps. Exactly the amount I needed, 5 cups. I just added the brown sugar, the nutmeg, and the cinnamon, and it smells so freaking good. That apple crisp is the zucchini crisp is in the oven baking. I'm still feeling like doing stuff in the kitchen, so I'm gonna go ahead and start making my homemade granola. I truly believe this is one of the easiest things that you could be making at home using the whole bag of this 4-ounce almond bag. 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Stir. Now I'm gonna be eating this granola with my yogurt in the mornings or like for like a little snack at work, and it's gonna be an excellent way to spice up my yogurt life. It is the next morning and I am up before the sun. I want to get this video done in a decent amount of time so I still have time to spend with my kids today because I'm off. All right, we're gonna start the day off with making a little bit of pickles, not a lot because I have a whole bag full from my garden. Yes, I know it's in a Walmart bag, but I just use this to store in my fridge. I have a big old bag. We are only going to be using a little pint-sized jar for this video because my aunt has been wanting to come over and make garlic dill pickles with me, and I can't possibly make them without her, a big batch of them. They are washed. Whenever I pickle anything, these three are my go-to spices: mustard seed, black peppercorns, and some celery seed. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of each inside this pint jar. And these are just some quick refrigerator pickles. I am not gonna go through the effort of bringing out the canner just for one tiny little jar. So I'll save that for when my aunt comes over and we make a batch of them. And I am gonna put a little bit of homegrown garlic in. Freshly peeled garlic clove, look how nice. Should probably use a funnel, but we're gonna risk it this morning. I'm gonna let this cool down to room temperature, which is gonna take a bit because it's boiling hot. On to the next task of the day. All right, we're gonna get started on our bagels. Nice and frothy. Gonna pour a little bit of oil in this bowl, coat the dough, and let rise till it's doubled in size, about 1 to 2 hours. One thing I absolutely cannot stand is washing eggs. If there is one thing that I never had to do again, it'd be washing eggs. Whenever my husband wants to help in the kitchen or asks if I need him to do anything, here, wash these eggs. Like, please wash the eggs. I just cannot stand scrubbing eggs. So I did read that if you scramble the eggs, they reheat better once you freeze them and reheat them in the microwave. So that's why I did that instead of just fried eggs. Adding a slice of pepper jack cheese. I just burnt my pinky so bad. Pulling out the little thing that plugs into the side of the griddle. I touched the prong and oh my God, my pinky hurts. I'd say it doubled in size. Punch down, let it rest another 10 minutes. Now this for sure is gonna be the hardest part of this whole video, is shaping the dough into nicely rounded bagel pieces. So wish me luck. The bagels are done, and some of them didn't turn out the prettiest, but look at them. They smell so freaking good. I'm so excited. Everything has to come down to room temperature before I assemble these and throw them in the freezer. All right, I'm about to try this zucchini apple crisp that I made last night, and let's see if it really tastes like apple. No way. I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. Oh my God. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I am in shock. I'm in shock right now. I'm gonna see if my son wants some and see what he thinks. All right, Rem, what is this?
This?
Uh-huh. Okay, take a bite. Is it yummy? Hey, come here, I gotta tell you something. Do you know that this is zucchini? And there you have it, blown away. Oh, now it's bad? Come get another bite. He was about to get another bite till he saw me hit the record button. Does it taste anything like zucchini? Does it taste like the apple crisp we made a few weeks ago? Crazy. Do you like it?
I don't like zucchini.
Okay, but do you like that?
Yeah.
Because what does it taste like? Tastes like an apple pie, right?
I don't know.
All right, but you do like that?
Yeah.
All right. This was in no way, shape, or form supposed to be a cooking tutorial. I just wanted to show you guys what we're doing with what we can with what we have. I'll try to link all the recipes I used down in the description if I could figure it out. I'm not very tech savvy, but I do know I used Barefoot Mimosa's zucchini crisp recipe, and holy cow, you've got to try it. You've got to try it. The goal is in a few years, hopefully I can produce all of our produce in this backyard of mine. And this is just the beginning. If this is just year 2, I cannot imagine what year 5 is gonna look like for us. All right, well, I'm gonna go shower, get some clean clothes on, and come back out here and play again in my garden and film my next video. Maybe I'll jump in the pool with the kids. Oh, and if you have any more zucchini recipes, please link them down below because I'd love to branch out and try all the crazy zucchini recipes. So now that that's over with, if you like this video at all, feel free to follow along and subscribe. If you want to see more of us, I'll put a video up on screen I think you'll like next. Till next time, stay blessed, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.